Okay guys, so it's my baby's birthday. She's turning
49.
I was gonna say 29, but yeah. She's sexy as ever, wisdomness, and we're at Los Velas, and we're gonna walk to the other side, go check out the beach. I'm sweating. There was no cleats left. I had to figure out how to tie up my dinghy.
And it's actually not that.
It's not that cool.
No, the beach is uphill.
Yeah, it's uphill halfway.
Yeah.
So it's uphill halfway.
And I'm like, ugh, okay, let me get my 49-year-old body.
She's gonna get stretched out here. But yeah.
There's like some bars over there and stuff. So.
But that's what we're gonna do and
do some day drinking.
Yep. And I shouldn't walk on these screens. I'm afraid they'll fall in on me. Yep. And this hill is no joke. But yeah, in our excitement birthday conversation, we're talking about how to do laundry. So we're halfway up the hill. This is the fancy hotel right here. It's all downhill from here. But we actually go for the ride here. And
my husband's turning my birthday into a video.
Yeah, of course. Almost there. We're on the dirt road to the ocean. Which the ocean's about that way. I shouldn't walk backwards because I almost lost my ankle a while ago.
It's pretty here.
Oh yeah. We made it to our first restaurant or bar on the birthday bar crawl. Look at that. Yeah, that's where we came in, babe. Oh, that is beautiful. I'm here at the bar getting drinks. All them I had there was still doing the birthday. This place is awesome, guys. Last night we had a bit of experience. Dinghy died. We don't have a whole bunch of these spark plugs, but our neighbor over here, lovely German couple, they drug us back to our boat, and this morning we just replaced the spark plug. That's all it was. Now I'm working on reinstalling our AC back in the rear cabin. You saw I disconnected that so I could make water. Well, we have the new pump for the water maker. You saw that last video. So now we're going to fix our AC, and I'm going to show you how we can run that more efficiently on batteries to hopefully get cool at night and dehumidify the room while we're sleeping a little bit. Maybe too dry, and we'll have a little desert going on in there. Okay guys, so this is what I'm working with, and basically gonna move this pump back a little bit. Don't want to get too far back because the engine's back there, but I'm gonna put this piece in place and connect our line for our water pump, which for our AC. So that's for our what's that thing called, the water maker. And also going to install this so I can turn it off and on. So yeah, because the one thing about your water maker and your air conditioner is you can't have any open lines. This one has a one-way valve, so it won't pull water back through here and suck it through the AC, but it won't work in reverse without this thing. So this is another step I have to remember. Fun. Okay, so I got the AC running, and I've ran that on a T. I have a switch right there, which I have to turn off if I want to run the water maker, and then it's running back to my water pump. Now this is running, and I'm gonna put this back in place. Okay, so this is running, and yeah, I've got it where the both the water pump and the fan turn off once it's reached temperature. I'm just right now trying to get it to temperature so I can hear it shut off to make sure. But I have that up on my how much power we're using. Okay, so we have full sun come in. That's the max current I can pull in at 50 amps, and we're still using 50 amps. So in essence, at 51%, my batteries only last a little over 6 hours, which would not make it through the night. But hopefully this cycles less, so we can see if it will run through the night. But oh, it feels a lot cooler in here. Yeah, I left my wife out there. She's sweating, and I'm enjoying this nice, cool bedroom. Okay, as you can see, the AC is shut off now. We're getting 36 amps in, charge in, out of 50 amps. So that's not bad. And we're still running the inverter and, of course, I like a jet. But with our battery saying infinity, it's not a good judge of how long this would actually last throughout the night. But so I have to turn it on at night to see. But still, it's good. The fan shut off, the water pump shut off, and let me show you the settings we have to do. Okay, so here's our thermostat, and as you see, it's at 86 degrees. It's still not on, but you have to turn it off to set it. So then you press select, up, down, select, and this will enter program mode. Now, to change between different modes, you just go up and down like this. So right now I'm looking for the thermostat because that's set a little high, and then that's your thermostat offset. And then P12 is your pump. So to turn your pump continuously on, you just hit on or off. We want it off, so it only turns on when the AC is actually on. And then P14 is your fan. So you want it to cycle, so when the compressor's not on, it turns the fan off. If that is continuous, and that will run the fan even if the compressor's not on. I found that really heats up things a little bit more, burns a lot more electricity. You don't want that. So we'll set that to cycle. Then to get out of this, you just hit on again, and then I'll turn it on, and it's on cool. And I don't use automatic because I don't want it saying it gets too cold at night for some odd reason, which I doubt it would, and then turn on the heater. Wouldn't want that. So we're at 86. I have this thing set to 85, so it should come on probably when that thing hits 87. Okay guys, so we gotta go to town and get some dog food and some liquor and lemon juice, but my wife's all worried because this morning we had a boat mooring and almost hit our boat. Actually, it did hit our boat. I caught it and was pushing it away, and then we moved it to over there, but they're not on that boat. And also that cameraman right back there, it broke loose a few days ago.
Yeah.
So I don't know, Papa.
I don't like the moorings.
We need to get Papa out here, check the moorings a little bit. Make sure we ain't going on a brisk escape.
A lot of people come out here, drop their boat, and then go back to the United States
or
Canada
wherever.
Or whatever. And we're stuck having to deal with it.
So yeah.
Like, I gotta leave, and then you guys deal with my damn boat.
Yeah, and or like they just ended up on shore.
Yeah,
You have to recover it.
be over there at the mangroves on the bottom.
So we're gonna get to town, gotta get some dog food. This is the first time us buying dog food for our dog out here in the wild. So hopefully
Yeah, we had enough on board that lasted about.
the trail to town. Always long and hot. Get that boat with
And
us.
smelly.
And smelly. So but we're yeah, it's not very far. What are you looking at?
Okay. I thought it was like like a dead animal. There's a tire.
Yeah. They tend to throw a lot of trash out here, so it's not really in the water where we're anchored or moored, but on land you'll see it.
Oh yeah. The trash service is a little different.
We're gonna go to the ATM. Gotta get our liquor, so we're gonna check out that little store and get some dog food. And what else?
I thought you already said that.
Yeah, I did. So we got our dog food, our liquor, some bananas and taters and stuff. Good to go. We're heading back to the boat. Water. Yeah, but it is hot out here. And oh man.
I'm trying not to get cut up by this questionable fence.
Yeah. It is
And if you hear those motorcycles, that's every day, all day long, no matter what.
Yep. I'm gonna put this camera away before I get run over by one of them.
Yeah.
So we're back in the dinghy. Got our puppy some new dog food we're gonna try out again on her. I'll show that when we get back to the boat. There's not much selection here, so hopefully she enjoys it.
I would have just ordered her original, but in order to get that here, it's 200 pesos per pound, and her dog food is 30 pounds.
That'd be expensive. It'd be $100 to get her dog food here.
So
we're not
we'll
gonna
try
do that.
something else on her.
But yeah, and then we have these wind and white caps. So yeah.
Gotta get back to our boat before another boat tries to break mooring and then cramp.
Yeah, we don't want that. So we're gonna get on out of here. There's our puppy. She is excited. We're back. She found it.
Found her dog food. I told you we had to go to the store and get your dog food. She's like, yes, please.
Yeah. I don't know how good it's for her, but
yeah, it's probably not that great. We're gonna have to find something more in the city.
Yeah, we usually get 4 health.
Or find the vet around here. Maybe. I don't know. We'll see.
But yeah, you excited?
Oh, you want some doggy food?
And yeah, I shaved her crazy because she went to Tick Island. All kinds of ticks all over.
Gotta watch out for that crap here. Okay, you want some doggy food? Okay, come on. You want your new doggy food? Okay.
Okay, Bella, I got your food. Yeah, she never dips her head in the cup. You got your food.
Yeah, only a little bit.
Okay. Right there.
Oh, that's a lot. She's got a cute babe. She's gonna wind up eating all of that because she's never had it before. Yeah, don't do that with a bone in her mouth. She'll bite your food. That's all she gets for now.
Oh, wow.
I want her puking.
It's almost
And
gone.
she's not hungry, y'all. She's just excited for new food.
New flavor.
Yeah, because she's been on her other dog food for about 4 to 5 years. Yeah. So she's just excited a new flavor.
Yep. So we're here at Captain's table, and we drinking like a demon. There's my baby right there, and we're just having a good old time.
Make sure.
Okay, guys. So the Canadians got locked out by the Americans. They played the outfield there like pros. America. Whoa, that is out of here. Oh. And the action is really high here. Base is loaded. Canada's going to bring it home, and they're going to be 3-0 after this. kicking America's tail. And, oh wow, one coming home. Two. Oh, Canada's in the lead. Two. So how's it feel to get your ass kicked by Canadians?
Hey, that's just that's it.
So it's 1-5. U.S. got one the last one. They're going back out. And yeah, but the Canadians, they're winning, but they ain't playing. It's mostly Dominicans. Okay, USA locked them out that run. Yeah. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Go! 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 Keep on, Corey! Go! Go! Yeah! Oh, look at that! That's a home run! Inside the park, baby! Oh, yeah! Okay. The game is done.
Who won? Canada?
I think Canada
Wait,
won.
who cheated?
Canada cheated. They had more young Dominicans on there. We had a bunch of old people. So we had a great 4th of July. The baseball was awesome. And now we got lightning ahead of us. So yeah, but let me show you what we're looking at right here. This is where we ended up at Wendy's.